Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on the assembly of a 1959 18 horsepower Evinrude Golden Jubilee, model number 15028. So as you can see behind me here, laid out on my bench, I have that Golden Jubilee for a customer named Robert, and I have it all laid out, all the parts cleaned. You can see how the nuts and bolts, all the rubber moldings have been painted. You can see how I've got the carburetor cleaned, the magneto rebuilt. I have the rewind starter with a new rope, new handles. You can also see how I've repainted the lower unit, the gear case with new seals, new impeller, the prop changed, the lower cowling painted. Everything's just ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to try something different on this video. I'm going to try a time-lapse video, which will be a time-lapse over a period of about 2 hours is how long I think it'll take me to put this back together. And it'll be a time-lapse condensed version, so you can see me walk through all the steps of getting it all together. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how long it took me. I think I can do it in 2 hours. So it's kind of a challenge for me to see if I can do that. So if everybody's ready, here we go. temps roulé. Aïe!